Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're playing Skate and the sound isn't working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several step-by-step solutions to fix your audio. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it, then click Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure the volume isn't set too low. Sometimes Windows mutes the device at the system level. Solution 3. Still in Properties, go to the Advanced tab. Change the sample rate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Press Apply, then OK. These standard settings prevent compatibility issues with games like Skate. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Press Apply, then OK. Disabling this can fix conflicts with 3D audio. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Go back to the same Driver tab. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose your audio driver, then press Next. Once installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Audio issues can sometimes be linked to GPU drivers. Solution 8. Update NVIDIA drivers for NVIDIA users. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch it, then click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. If a new update is available, install it. After updating, launch Skate and your sound should work correctly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix sound issues in Skate on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.